Start this video is going to be a little bit rushed because we are in a rush. We've got 5 minutes, girls, to get there. Come on. We are in Milford Haven. It's not really a destination you might have heard of, but in this video I'm going to show you it's actually quite a cool place to come. I want to explain why. It's the 14th of February, so it's Valentine's Day. When you got girls to look after you, you've got to bring them on your date with you. Cheers. We've got a nice meal planned in the bus later.
Yeah, it's
late
though.
food.
It's only... What time is it? 20 past 5. Guaranteed we don't have food tonight.
Does look good. So that place... Oh, there's no lights in it. Phoenix Bowl. If I lived in Milford Haven...
Careful, girls.
It'd be perfect because you can walk down, have a pint, let your kids play in the play area, and then walk home. Oh! You right, girls? I bought steaks. Chips, we're gonna have deep fried chips and all in the bus, have a nice romantic meal with the girls, and that plan's gone right out the window because I just lost all my energy.
Yeah, but you were fine and then you just went...
Within 5 minutes I just
like,
lost everything. So had a late night last night, been driving around all day, so it's gonna be a lazy meal, and then we're gonna keep the steak and chips for tomorrow. Golden Arches, here we come. Bus, McDonald's. Don't forget Bunny. Go on. Girls.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Crisps.
Look
Look what Adelaide's had off.
Look at red.
Does it actually say who's it from, Adelaide?
No, just my name.
Just your name. Who's it from?
Fletcher.
Fletcher. Adelaide's got a new admirer.
He's a boy, and I think she has a crush on him.
Boyfriend, girlfriend.
How many kisses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kisses.
Because that's how old I am.
Yeah, you are. You're 6.
So
He's dribbling so much.
Flashing off the lights. Yeah, he touches dribble. Look at the dribble go. Yeah, this might be the only time someone brings you for a date in a bus.
That's okay. We always go back.
Unless when you grow up and you build your own bus, then you go out on a date in your own bus. Then first and last time they go on a date in a bus. Alright, should we get all comfy then? Let's put a movie on, shall we?
I can't wait to lie
What
down.
are we watching? I'm gonna be gone 5 minutes. I'm gone.
Shrek.
Trek. Friday. How are we so tired?
I don't know.
And to add to it, our diesel heater just failed us.
Out, James.
I know. I can't even speak.
Yeah,
Our diesel heater just failed us. I think I know what it is. The temperature sensor's gone faulty. So I might have spoke too soon about the Chinese diesel heaters, but it should be fine. So we're going to call it a day there. Movie time, crash out, and then hopefully a new day, a fresh new head. Oh, I can sleep well tonight.
Good night.
Good night.
This might be one of the best. I won't say it was the best places because of a bit of road noise. Like protection. Say if there's a storm coming in and you were stuck in this area, get yourself under there, depending on the wind direction. Yeah, we don't actually do a lot of urban stops, do we? Like stopping here as well. We got, so where are we? Right in the middle here. We got Costa, like 3 minutes that way. Petrol station 3 minutes that way. Tesco's 5 minutes that way. Bowling alley there. And we're smack bang and everything. And restaurants all down the Marina this side. What a difference a night makes. Whew, what a sleep that was. I'm recharged, ready to go.
That's the most recharged I've ever seen you.
Yeah.
You're like, bing! Jesus.
Oh, swans. Swans.
Can we limited amount.
Right, why? What do you want?
The ice cream.
Ice cream? Look at the state today. There's no sun. Chantal's got a hat on. You want ice cream? Bottomless booze?
That's what caught our attention, bottomless booze.
Includes your meal, unlimited drinks for 90 minutes. Oh, you know where we're coming next.
Didn't know they did that here though.
No.
Nacho cheese.
Park the bus up there and we're sorted.
It'd be cool to stay in one of them, Jim. These little floaty houses just by here, look. Little pods.
Milford Beach. It's actually called Milford Beach. I think it's the only beach in Milford. Chantal struggled with a rip. We should have called him back. we should have. Oh, that's cold.
I can feel it now. How cold is that, Rippy? He's like, Christ, where have my balls gone? Oh my god. Jesus.
Don't take the mick out of Adelaide for her arm. That was awful. Here comes the ferry. Alex, see the ferry?
Oh my god, it's like ice.
We'll do the ferry soon.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind it, but the other day Liv gave me strict instructions. She's like, Mum, I never want to go on a ferry.
Alright, that's
And I was
knackered
like,
then.
I said, why is that? She said, oh, I'm afraid it's going to tip over. It was just completely out of the blue as well.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't even mention about it.
Yeah.
Stop it.
That ferry there is the Pembroke to Rosslare, coming back in from Ireland. That's definitely something we want to do. Absolutely. Just waiting to do a partnership with P&O Ferries, so we can get it for free.
Yeah.
Used to get away with it on the front of this marina, but they've re-tarmacked it now and took ownership and put the signs out, I'm afraid. So you can risk it for a biscuit if you want. Yes, that's correct. Was it last year or year before? Yeah, 2 years ago. You might know of it. The Waverley, the only seaworthy paddle steamer left in the world. I don't know if it's steamer actually. Is it steam? Yes, it is steam. It is steam. And this is where we got it. I think we've got a few photos and videos actually. Yeah. So we've just been through the tourism part of the haven. Now we come into sort of the industry part. The fishing and the boat building and all the welding. And so 30, 40 years ago, Milford suffered quite a lot of unemployment. There was quite a high rate. So with unemployment comes a lot of criminal activity, a lot of crime, poor development. But the last 20, 30 years, Milford Haven's come a long way.
Really nice. You like I say, you can just spend the day down here.
You can just come down the marina and you can spend the day, a couple of days, no problem at all. So if you are passing your van and Milford Haven wasn't really on your to-do list,
hop in for the day.
Hop in for the day. Highly recommend it. Especially there's a few good restaurants around the front. And if you should go anywhere, go to the Harbour Master, which is right on the end. The food there is incredible. I think we went there for our second date. So considering last night I didn't go to plan, especially with the food, it was a bit of a lazy night.
Oh yeah, we needed that though. That was so lovely, didn't it? It's
Cozy night. We've got steak and chips to eat, so that's our plan for lunch today. It's hard walking past all the restaurants with nice smells.
That's probably got a little bit of a hunger thing going on.
Doesn't smell that bad.
Does smell.
Rip's loving the smell.
Huh? You don't like lobster.
I do. Just the look of it.
You're a kid.
Just the look of it.
You like a fish finger and that's it.
Fish fingers. Back to the start now, where it was last night. In fact, last year, in there was the first and only time I got noticed from YouTube. I was ordering a pint, and this gentleman came up to me, Paul his name was. So Paul, if you're watching this, thanks for saying hi. He came up to me, he goes, are you James? I was like, yeah. He goes, are you the Gallivanting whip? I was like, he said, oh, we started following you last year when you did the beach video. And we had a nice little chat, and also, yes, if you ever see us, come up and say hi. Nice to have a chat. I'm just going to jam your neck. Yeah, done. Sweating?
Finally!
Right, let's go find a nice park up to have some dinner. Steak and chips for lunch. Can't put the heating on because our Chinese deal isn't that good. Actually, I'll explain the issue now because it might happen to you. So at least you can see the symptoms. You might be able to fix it. So what happened last night, and it's still the same issue this morning. That's the current temperature, which is in the LCD. That's your skin temp. As you can tell, it's been 72 degrees. There was nothing in there that is 72 degrees. That's why when you turn it on, the blower comes on and stays on. It's trying to cool it down before it goes for ignition. And it just keeps on blowing because the temperature never drops. So we need to change that sensor. So I've already ordered one. I ordered actually two for spares. So you might have the same issue. That's the symptoms. What are they? Steaks, baby.
Chili.
Broccoli and potato.
This one looks
Potato.
nice.
That's for dessert. Don't worry about that yet. Chantal's having a day off for cooking today.
It feels so
She's
lovely.
meal prepped the whole week at home. Fair play to her, so she's gonna read a book. Rip. Ready.
The lid. And we got good.
Always get steamy when we're cooking. Like what I bought, new power supply. It's finally going to come back alive.
That is actually a lifesaver though, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Can't be bothered to put the table up, so it's on the edge of the worktop for now. Happy Valentine's, Rip. Golden syrup or strawberry, or sticky toffee?
I might have 3.
3? All of them?
3?
And custard.
Yeah. I'm gonna start with this one, then I have the.
What do we start with that one?
You'll only have
One for now.
You'll be full.
Not yours.
Right,
Yeah.
so this is sticky toffee. You want sticky toffee?
I want sticky toffee. Also, a big thank you to all our new subscribers as well. And our old subscribers,
So
obviously.
you just pull that off.
We are now.
This.
Yesterday we hit 3,000 subscribers.
No, I
Now we're at
meant
3,006.
You need to remember
So,
what they
thank you
are.
very much. Right, dessert then. Ooh, it's some rosier.
Look at mine.
Ladies first. Ladies, do you want some custard, Adelaide?
Yes, please.
Oh, we are done. Heating's on, as you can probably hear the engine.
And fairies coming
Food
past.
coma vibe.
Ferry? The ferry, yeah, the ferry come past. We're going that soon, shall we?
Yeah.
See you next week, where it's my birthday weekend actually.
Are we going in a body?
Not a bothy, no.
What?
No, we're in the bus.
The body when it's a little bit warmer.
A little bit warmer in the morning. Mind you, went last year in February.
Yeah. I got a present for my daddy.
Oh, yeah.
Only for the bus, not the house.
Okay.
Don't give any more clues away though.
Yeah.
Keep it a secret.
Um,
Alright, see you next week. Bye.
Bye.